Hurry, guys, hurry. I don't want to get caught by the other technician that's working on this car. So, y'all remember this this tube, right? Okay, this is the tube that y'all are tripping over about it crossing. Okay, y'all see how much guidance it has? That's a whole lot of threading. That's a whole lot of guidance that tube is going to have to line up straight. And here's the tube that y'all are tripping over. Hey, y'all might think it's plastic, or y'all might think it's aluminum, that it's so easily stretched. No, okay, it is in fact steel. This is a steel pan, so the stretching is going to be as easy as y'all think. But again, that pipe is being guided by those threads, creating a very slim to no chance of this actually stripping or cross-threading. Same difference, right? So as long as you look, I'm feathering the trigger, and if there was any sort of resistance felt within the impact, it would stop. But I'm not telling y'all to do this. I'm simply stating or showing that it can be done, and that when I did it in that particular video, that no damage had been done. But of course, in the comments, people love to think that they know what the hell they talking about when they start talking about stretched threads and stripped or cross-threaded bolts. I mean, hell, it's just like when you talk about wheel torque, right? Almost everybody I've seen torque down wheels, what do? They put all the weight on the tires and go to torque down the wheels, and what's the car doing? Lunging forward and back, forward and back. They're not getting the proper torque on that. Then again, everybody does everything differently. So if it works for you, it works for you. If it doesn't, well then do it. If you ain't comfortable with it, don't do it. But if I ever mess up anything, it's on me. It's on me, not the customer.